Wait, I will continue playing this video, but listen. You know his concern? In this place, Chido, when before he made this thing, I have information lay hit or email. That Chido, when, you know what he did? They think they are smart. The smartness of a fool ends with illiteracy and selfishness. They brought this man out and recorded a video of this man after they must have taken ransom of 3.8 million naira from his family members. They now brought this man out to make a video. Let's assume this man is recording video. Watch his body language. The man is afraid. Udo the man. He's making this video under duress. And Chido, when he's only telling him to make this video to exonerate his name, my brother Obashi. They recorded this video. If you watch the background, the man will be looking sideways. Though Udo and his mental condition, fear and all that, his concern was just on how to come out from there alive. That was when they recorded this video.
And when to me, some men under arrest. Not she don't want to degree. I could how they show. So on your book, I'm at your plan. I'm at the degree. Yamna Yaku Biko, 80 years in my family and my entire family. Now, bad situation because in Hebrew, I would Yemen. In summary, in Yemen, now I was arrested. And
this man again, I don't want to. The government should not hold this against this man, please. The man said all of these things under duress. He said that Hamari arrest. His first statement, that is what shows you that Chido is an idiot. You are a universal idiot in one sense. Because Nibweke 47 doesn't mean that all of us should respect you. An idiot. The man said in the first place that he was arrested. Some group of men came and they took him on Okada. They took him to the bush and they tried him. So they have a place they try people. This now takes you to the stories you heard that says that they Alpha and they see that Alpha does not. What is that? The Alpha? Alpha is one rope like this. They will shake it and say, if this person is innocent, the Alpha will be shaking. They said, okay, betrayal. Alpha shake you. Alpha the thing will be shaking. They say, take him, go and buy him. Go and buy him. Is a sabo rope. What rope said? Thus, the signal of a rope is what made you to take a complete life. Somebody who lasted for 9 months in his mother's womb. So this man was speaking under duress and pressure. That's why he said that Haga try Orion Okada poor. And his concern was this thing he said. He said, if you continue talking about these people, you put my life and that of my family in danger. Wait, so let's continue listening to this guy.
Kidnap from Chido or Link. Now I'm not sure my sister and my.
Hold on, I gotta go this side.
Gas with me. There's some Nandina Dana Bulu Hokum. Manabrama, Naura Hacho, Choputa. There's some whiz. Monon had no made the meeting. Monan, Regiment of Bahibe. After a series of investigation, ha chọpụta na aka m dị ọcha na enweghị ihe mere n'ihu Chukwu na n'ihu mmadụ Chido onwenu ahụdị nga anya ma ọgụga gị ma oluloko ahụdị nga anya enweghị onye bịara to me si m na mmiri nọ ndị arrest na Chido onwenu dịgiri ya akụkọ ahụ bụ n'eziokwu. So onye kwugekwe n'ihe a amadị your plan. Amadam ndị dị greke. Ihe m na-ayọ bụ biko etigezina my family and my entire family na bad situation because ihe kwuru awụdị ihe mere. In summary, Ihe mere no na I was arrested and ha ga try am chọpụta na aka m dị ọcha.
Who are those people who went and tried you? Who are those people? Who are those people who went and tried you? Who are they?
Chọpụta na aka m dị ọcha. Unu nyere m ori nrie, unu nyere m mmiri ṅụọ. Unu sị na ahapụ m n'ọnya aka ya dị ọcha na enweghị ihe na-eme ya. Unu tụritụrụ m ọfụma. Ana m agwa ndị ụmụaka ọwụ mmiri dị ihe a. Enweghị onye kpara m aka, enweghị onye kụrụ m ihe. Brada, ha tụritụrụ m. Sị m ebe a tụrụ ya ala m n'aka m dị ọcha na enweghị ihe ga-eme m. So n'otu aka ụmụnne ana m ekpere na ekpere ogologo ndụ ọ ga-adịrị ọnụ mma ma n'ehihie ma n'ụtụtụ ma n'abalị ma na mgbede ma n'isi ụtụtụ ebe unu hụrụ ke wee eziokwu si na eziokwu ga-adịrịrị biko ana m asị ya marụ niile mmụọ ya marụ niile mmụọ ya marụ niile mmụọ. Thank you so much.
So guys, did you see that the man was under pressure, right? They tried him. Try. Who gave you the audacity? You tried who? One for your brother from the same place. You tried him with your Bible rotate. Bible rotate. That is why I tell you, the mentality of our people is the speed consumption or see, it is the speed destruction that has been beckoned around their neck. Because of Kuru. The man was under pressure. If you listen to the background very well, you can have a kind of sign as if Nakok AK-47 or thereabout. They recorded this video. The man they prayed for them. Who is he praying for? He's praying for non-government in Doshi. You see what these guys are doing? See, they are very, very manipulative. The other time, Angel Makeup. Forget on me, I get moral to call your name. Forget Angel Makeup on a normal ground. Nwetegi no normal aka. Nkochagi ihe. Nkochagodi ihe nke gi n'igwe. Progi ka ewu na ala. Update. You are even suffering. You look like somebody. You live like Nebuchadnezzar. Even Nebuchadnezzar during his time is better than you. And somebody will tell you not to talk. Why are you afraid? Be afraid of that. It is that fear they've clothed your conscience with. See, if there's a people that have suffered negligence in governance, if there are people that have suffered negligence in governance, Ngobala has suffered negligence in governance. Ohajebema has suffered negligence in governance. Uguta have suffered. Oki got the throne on Amma before. Aaron Dizo got the throne on Amma. We have suffered as a people. A local government. Do you know that we are aware a local government headquarters before? When the whole 9 local government was one council. Do you know what these people did to us till today? Do you know how far they have kept my place? We have suffered. 99.9% of the roads in Ngobala, except that those 2 federal roads you see. One is the one that heads from Igrita to Opala. And this one they are trying to amend now from Owerenta to Owerri. That is the only road you can talk about in Ngobala. And it was not done by the state government. If there are people that have suffered bad governance, it is the people of Ngobala. The only thing we have ever seen all these years now was that they came and grabbed our land. The only farming land we have. They came and grabbed. If you see anybody, any government appointee from Ngobala, this present time now, whom is talking now, look at him to be a qualified fool. Sorry for insulting them, my brother. Somebody will say, keep quiet. Do you really win election in this life? Must I win? Must I contest for any election? Must I contest for any position? Is it Obudole? If the roads in my place are tied and other places in Ngobala, if we have good roads, do you think I will ever print poster? Anyway, stay going to Tom Maroto. You think it's easy if people in the poster, people will be singing love for you. At the end of the day, that love is hate inside most of their conscience. Do you think it's a good business or a good journey? Give us fix roads in my place and see if I will near that your ballot. I do more charity than the person at the State House of Assembly in Ngopala. I know you hear me say it on social space here. I've done good more than them. Even the person at the Federal House, we can be measured together while he hasn't won any election. Even now that he has won election, I have done significant things with my own personal money more than him. If it's a lie, people are here now. People that knows me are here. There's somebody that commented here, Oscar. He's from Ngopala. Almost from the same community. He's a very good person. They would have disputed me. I say many of our brothers are watching. They have seen like 4 here. They are watching here. They would have said, no, that's to tell you. If I don't have that good name and good record, I won't be here talking now. I won't be here talking. So those in governance, they are not doing it. They don't mean it. We have suffered. And the next thing they wanted to do to us is they wanted to create our land. I'm telling you, go and mark today's date. Come rain, come sun. No other person they talk and they tell you. I'm telling you that if it takes 30 years old, whether it takes 20 years old, we will collect our land. You go later, they loyal. Doesn't matter. Sorry, the network was bad. O take equal 14 years. We will collect our land from you. That's a promise. More than the Wagia. Even though my even if my own child today, we will collect our land, but we will not use AK-47 to collect it. Nobody. Any of our brother anywhere there, you'll be detained. We will make sure you are punished. So those land you think you collected from us or thereabout, or because your brother is a governor, he leaves office one day. Some of us will emerge as governor. Some of us will emerge as senators. We go collect that land back from you. And we go collect them. When it's time, I get put it with you. We go collect them. We go collect them. So that next time, there are cases. I've seen different cases. Even in Lagos, it happens. Lands that were wrongly taken years ago. Our court not deciding on them. As at this time around, ask questions. We are not begging you. We'll go collect them. Because the only thing you could give to Ngobal is it to come and marginalize our people, my people. And you think some of us will keep quiet? Not my type. By the grace of God, it is more than prophecy. The Lord shall arise. The Lord will raise people. Nature will raise people in our place who will be more drastic, more decisive than you. Go and write it somewhere. He may emerge as governor from Owerri zone. Igbo no Owerri zone. He may emerge. Or Igbo a governor, actually win a governor in Imo State. Get Batang Gopal, he make campaign. They will inform me. I say, I go come there. I'm going to microphone. You got on a line. You do ishi. You got on there. Do ishi. You got on new. Already new house. But they got on there. Do ishi. That if you win, if we support you, you win. You reverse this thing. It is compulsory. We don't need to talk to you for now. We'll give you that in nature, but it will not be on AK-47. That's what they wanted to do in our place. Babu, our brother, Bruce here, on a mortuary now. You think we will take any action? Some of them said, he is doing it. He wants Zion to settle. He wants this and thunder. Babu, who will settle who? Who will settle? Individually, those are cookies who write those things. I'm more comfortable than them. My name is written and signed on a marble. You want me to support evil? Do you know how they have marginalized us? So if your reasons of carrying AK-47, that's why I'm referencing this. So otherwise, I don't need to tell you what we'll do. What we'll do remains with us. That's who we are. Let me shock you one thing about us as a people. You are wasting your time. Shebi, there was a time nobody bought any land from us. Nobody bought any land from us. I've said this a couple of times. If you again, I block you from here. You won't be here again. Where is that person that has that? Joare again, I can block you from here now. With you. Now, let me tell you how we do things as a people. It is in your hands as a local government, as a people, to combat the insecurity. There was a time they were buying people in along that thing. Not even buying. They were kidnapping people. Didn't you hear it? Government could not curtail it. We as a people, I'm not going to tell you what thing we do. But all of them, where they do that thing now, none of them, they bleed as at today. Imaranke Maronka. Ukwamari Bezia. Along that about expressway, many of you were making videos along about the road, the herdsmen, the kidnappers, and all of them. Did you see us? Did you see us make video while we are taking action? Did you see us make any video and post? I'm on the social space, so did I post? Bam! Did any of us post anything? Silently, they planned their evil and they were executing it on the soil of Ngobala. Silently, we ended all of them. Silently, we ended all of them. So in your local government, in your community, if you say you are afraid of combating insecurity, it is left for you. You will no longer have a place to call your community. How will I feel that some of our brothers say after government did not help any of us? Some of us in our kindred have to be a third road before. Oh yeah, Amaka. Nkiru, I put local Zion. Eba potara Joel and this man. What is up? Thunder Babu get that place. Come and get away from this page. Get away. Get out from here, you idiot. You want respect for your husband. Why will you respect Governor Zoku? Chineke bawa kwagish. In our place, some of us, our kindreds, no road. There is a place they call Nomokronupehi. No road to that place. They have never in their entire life witnessed one roll of cable wire in Ngobala. Government has not done it. Go to the place they call Umundoche. Why did they try to fix road from Umuneke to Umundoche those days? Was that Ohankem, the former governor of Imo State, Chifike Ohankem, was going to River State and he decided to pass that road. They saw their condition and decided to announce a road there. That was the only time. Just one small place, one was where he put that road. Getting to Bandro of River State, before that place, he was removed as the governor. My own kindred, from the beginning of this ward, my community, 99.9% of the entire community that makes up of 14 villages in into autonomous community, from the beginning of this creation till today, we have never witnessed 2 trips of chipping brought by government, either to build health center, to construct road, even to construct gutter. We've never witnessed 3 trips of chipping from the beginning of this creation till today. The only thing they managed to do was during the time of Chief Achiku Denwa, who came and rebuilt into Central School into and brought a dozy company. Of which it was just at the cost of them trying to do road from Umuneke to Ishinkwala so that they can access River State. That was the only time. Do you know that road went bad completely? You can, even with tipper, you cannot pass on that road. But guess what? When the governor of Imo State wanted to come and campaign for one of our brothers who went to State House for only 1 year and 4 months, just on a by-election, they came there, they brought flavor where they sing. They brought flavor to my community. Flavor came there and sang. They paid flavor. Even Kubana chief priest came to that my community. They did not post any picture they took from that village. You know why? Even Flavor was so ashamed not to post anything like that on the social space. These people bastardize my village. As I speak to you, no community in Imo State has road except the community of our dear governor, Ongo Yoko, Onwe in Abuja. Those are the kind of dirty things you people will support. You know, you people, we are part of those who endorsed him as governor the second time. I will answer you now, Charles, and I will block you now. You said, but I heard that Brother Bukobi obtained the land from elders. I have explained this thing before. Many of you refuse to have sense. I will explain that, then I will block you. You cannot be here. You cannot attend my class twice and remain an idiot. I will block you. I don't fucking care whom you are. No traditional ruler owns land in my place. No traditional ruler has audacity. From my own village to the village of the traditional ruler of Untu is far. The traditional ruler of that place cannot decide what happens in my own kindred. The same my own kindred went to court and won the case. My village owns the highest portion of land there. They went to court in 2006 and judgment was given in 2011. We won. We won the state government. We won the Ministry of Lands. The judgments are there. I've showed it online severally. That's why I'm telling you that they stole my land and they stole our community land, my village land, my kindred. They stole it. They are criminals. I am both to court. They should sue me now. Have you seen them sue me? You and your church now land grabbers una be thief ndo shiala. Oh, Jesus ezuala. That's what I said. Sue me. My name is Honorable Prince Madabu Chenyi. Sue me for saying no bundoshi. Why are they dodging that one? I'm telling you what I know, and all of you are trying to pretend over it. Haven't you? Okay, December, I will gather children, little children from our village, little children, each and every one of them. We will reprint that court judgment and we'll be giving it to them on camera. Say, how certificate in the just let's see how you give birth to this kind of thing and survive the next 20 years, the next 15 years in our midst. We will possess it into the mind of our children. You be the commenter. Traditional ruler, my community brothers are here. They did not appeal the judgment. Somebody asked if they appealed. They did not appeal the judgment till today. They did not appeal the judgment. Mad intellectuals, stupid intellectuals who went to school and they don't have sense. They didn't appeal it. You will teach this something to Nigerians 51 times, they don't understand. They are committing a crime. They are committing a heinous crime against my community, against my people. And you're there talking nonsense. They want to create insecurity. As if they create it, they will still be there. They will run and leave everything they are doing now. But some of us are trying. You think it is easy? That particular day they killed that our brother. If somebody like me know they there, or God, why you to go lose, they go lose their temper, deal with you. You know, they for nothing near there now. But upon everything, we still try to manage. If they shoot gun, when they come, you know they fear. You still people when they shoot gun, they work out, they come meet you. The only people like us talk to them. You know, watch that video. It was when I speak that they're listening. Otherwise, ask for your own army, your gun, and like, they're not going to listen to you. I had to stop them because we don't want to create that insecurity. We don't want to displace our mothers. Not be because of now, there won't be anything. Government of intimidation, stupidity. Do you know what we suffer as a people? People don't accept the gospel truth. Those of you who came to bring eternal life and prosperity to us, you came to bring and grab our land. In their own local government, I ask, why can't they go there and build that kind of thing? Because their governor and them, they have created insecurity in their place now. They cannot go to their village. Tell them to hold an evening program in their village, in their kindred this December. Make them go their own kindred. They clap and chineke particular speaker. Can this boy see more bazooka? Bawa hishi immediately. Oh, we be people manage your offer. Do you know how Ngobala people manage themselves? If what you're saying is truth, can you please show us the court judgment again? I've showed it before. And for now, that I cannot show it now because I'm not in Port Harcourt. One of these days again, I will show it again. I gave a copy of it to one of our brothers, Ezugo, when he came to Ngobala. I carried it and I handed over to him. I'm sure that guy went through it. He read it, he studied through it, and since then I expected him to say something about it. He didn't say anything, and I kept quiet because that may be his choice. I'm telling you, these people who came to Ngobala to grab land, if they are doing burial in their place, they pay unknown gunmen 1 million naira. Are you aware? Are you aware? They pay unknown gunmen 1 million naira in their own community for them to even come back and do burial of their cousins. So, but they came to my place in Saga. What you are trying to create, if you create it, it will swallow you. All they had is very hard. Check our record. Check online, Google. It is hard. No high criminal has ever emerged from Ngobala. Our elders are peaceful. Just that politicians decided to come and rubbish them. Oh yeah. Let me block this idiot. So we have also suffered bad governance in our place. Did we carry AK-47? Did you see us go to? Do you know that the land, the soil of Ngobala was where this airport is seated? The Imo State Simon Bagwe International Airport was seated upon. Do you know that common to give us that respect and change the name to Ngobala International Airport? They are still using late Simon Bagwe. Simon Bagwe Wegia Kojiro Airport. Obu Simon Bagwe. Obu ego mpe ya wegia, with all due respect, or wegia kejero the airport. Do you know that why they were building this airport? Evil is easy for you to support as a people. You are on the internet here. This airport, our fathers contributed money. The same 3 naira or 5 naira, every household in Imo State contributed. Everybody contributed to build that airport. Do you know that our people, the people of Ngobala, contributed that same amount of money? We still gave our land again. In Obiangu, where this airport is seated in Ngobala, people there don't rest. The noises of the aircraft. In fact, they collected land and got to people's house. The whole airport in Nigeria, you don't see any airport where somebody's house is even closer to the airport. But this one, they collected and got closer to people's house. And when that happened at that time, they relocated without compensation. Those families go and verify. None of their children is employed at the airport. No one. You support injustice and abnormality. The day this country will know something, it will survive here. You see the kind of evil people support in this part of the world. You see what they support in this part of the world. Now, in our communities, they don't employ us. FAN don't even employ our people. The people of Ngobala who donated their lands, their children are busy. Go to the airport and see. Even we that owns the airport, that owns the land, they didn't pay us any shishi. As I speak to you now, it's only Okada you see our brothers riding there. The community surrounding the airport, their roads are not tied. How do you feel? This is any day our youth to realize this kind of things, and they wake up and begin to take decisive actions and measures. The same thing you see in Okigwe, the same thing you see in Arondizog is what you'll be seeing in our place. It's just that our fathers, they cultured us in a way that we should work hard for ourselves. You see the way it is. What I'm saying now is, why can't they employ our youth there? Must we drive Okada at the airport? That we paid, we are the chief sacrificers. We sacrificed our land, we paid the money. Record has it that Mbaruga, that airport, when they came and took that land, they rigged and cried that our people will be asked to here first. The contractors enslaved our mothers, our fathers. They did all of those things. What was the reward? The governor from Owerri zone, the only governor from Owerri zone who emerged for some months, right on the Bameki head, came for the same land they grabbed today. He first consulted the elders and they told him, no, go to the kindreds, go to the villages that own this land individually. Ihedioha tried and saw that thing will cause problem. It is not possible to manage the situation. There's some of the criminals who are suggesting to him that he should use force like this. So Ihedioha washed off his hands and left. He's still alive. The man is alive. He's still alive. Go and verify these things I'm telling you. This is how they create insecurity. This is how they create evil in our land. They create it also in your own place because you yourself, you're also keeping quiet. With the evil, I will call you back, sir. Prof, I will call you back. Go ahead, sir. What? Which one? No, it's supposed to be for filling station. The plan is for filling station. The plan of the filling station. That architect no get them. Hello. At OCD, right? Okay, hold on. Hold on, sir. Hold on. Let me know what to do. Emeka? That plan for Kemere handover to DPR. Na Obunke gas plant Kemere handover to the Northern fuel station. So take this thing, go call Meto, call Oga Meto, tell him. Say na plan in Kemere we build unke gas plant, not fuel station. Ke fuel station ke nidre. Go in the OCD. Go ahead, so take a walk and do that. Ken say he talks too much and doesn't know when he says nonsense. So I get that from this page. Thunder Babu Ogidia. Thunder Ghana, your family, Buoginwa direct. Come on, get that from here, you idiot. Thunder Babu Okwage. Oh yeah, next idiot, yeah. Let me block. Actually, block like 3 persons immediately. Chukujeku Celestian. Goodbye from this page. Who is telling me to write to the government? I should write to the church. Why will you say such thing? I have answered you too much. I am suspended. I suspend you from here. If I see you on this page next time, I mark your name today. Omechuku Ilo. If I see you here next time, I'll block you. You're suspended from here. Oh yeah. Next person. Oh yeah. Next person, please. I need many of you here. I'm so no blocking. So this is evil. That's what they do. That's what they do. So the government has a lot to do. Why the army cannot move their healers to those areas? Due to bad road. Due to bad roads. If anything happens in my community now, how do you drive in there? How do you go to Mokronupe? Sorry, the network was bad. I have to leave now. I have emergency to attend to. I have something to attend to. Trying to do a fuel station for somebody somewhere. So I have to attend to that call before any other thing. one place in Ngokbala, they call Umokrunupe. When there are insecurities there, how do you access that place? Since there are no good roads there. The River State people, they've walked their own to boundary. And the Imo State government is not showing up at all. From where I'm telling you, even police, no matter how, before you get that courage to go there. You see, from Olakwa Junction to Umokrunupe, to Umonamu, Imerienwe, where they hijack vote. Imerienwe has produced more leaders than any other community in Ngobala. Imerienwe has produced leaders more than any community in Owerri zone. But the leaders they have produced cannot say anything even before the government. They only get there and they begin. Majority of them goes there to cry for their own personal interest. Except one engineer, Julius, okay, the first elected local government chairman of Ngobala, who did very, very well. Others are sleeping. What they do is when they are coming home, they carry 2 civil defense officers, 3 police and 2 army into their house. Before they get to their own house, bad road. If you cross this place, you get to Obokwe. From Obokwe, Azomiri, you now start going to Umokrunupe. I say they don't have one government borehole in the whole of Umokrunupe as a community. No electric pole. You cannot find 2 electric poles. They have never experienced electric pole before. Not to talk of electricity. People there use this generator and the solar, this solar system you see today. I said they've not seen health center before. Not to talk of third road. Any day third road will come there, maybe the world will end that day according to the government description. They don't. My own community that I'm even complaining itself is even paradise to this place. Everything you see them fix in our place was fixed by those days. If we want to do borehole, then when we still run community government, our villages got they will contribute 25 liters of red oil. They will sell it, use it to buy zinc to re-roof our health centers. We built on our own. Our community, Ngobala, has the record of we will gather money, we will use the money and train some people in school individually. Community will task themselves, they will train people in higher institutions. That was how we all had some of the old graduates we have, that their children became politicians today and decided to come and kill our people. These people you see today that went and attracted government to come and grab land from our poor parents. We are people that our parents gathered money, contributed money from Pankanel. They trained their parents in school. Their parents went to school and gave back to them and started training their own children in private. After training their children, they showed them ways in politics. Their children came back again to grab this land you see today. Anything I tell you here, go back and verify it. Some of them, our grandfather, trained their grandparents, sent them to high institution, made them obtain standard 1 certificate, standard 2, standard 3, standard 4, standard 6. Our uncles, our forefathers did. The people they trained in those universities today, how are they rewarding our communities? In Imo State today, somebody will still give transformer as a Federal House of Representative member, and he will post behind the transformer and take picture and say that's a constituency project. Okpoko. After everything, how is your life? The former Federal House of Representative member left position in Imo State, in my place, and later became a commissioner in Imo State, where the governor does not pick his call. As of today, he's just a media aide to the governor of Imo State. A former Federal House of Representative member is now busy typing on the social media and now fighting his people. Oh yeah. Any day an Mbise man becomes the governor of Imo State, any day an Ngobala man becomes the governor of Imo State, give them 6 months and look at how they will turn things around. Go and mark this and I tell you somewhere. Experience what they have seen. They understand the pains of their community. And the same thing they will transfer to other places. If Emeki Hedeha had been the governor of Imo State today, do you think you'll be seeing these insecurities? You won't see it now. As Moke Nwere says, so I know how to do it. The little insecurity that breathed in Ngobala, along that, not inside Ngobala, because he may anime our villages, we will go find you. anyị ga-achọ gị chọta gị o mee gị ịwa o enwekwa onye ga-anụ news na ya egbuola gị o anyị agakwa emekwa vidio ma anyị gbuwe gị o anyị agakwa erekọdụ vidio anyị gbuo gị we no go record vidio we no go post am anyway anyị ga-eji gị mee blogging anyị gbu ịbịata nga ọkpala cause by insecurity anyị gbuo gị silently anyị gbuo gị anyị adọ mmiri were gị macha ahụ lie gị nobody nwe ga-anụ ya and ị bụrụkwa our brother dịrị involve anyị ga-egbukọta gị that day anyị na-egbudo strangers ịkpọ bịa likwa gị enweghị ihe na-eme anyị gbucha gị anya amacha ahụ ka aha aga there is no way iji eme ya na our place you survive because anyị nwa m afụ fightera in fact it's only in nga ọkpala ka m ji anya m afụ my brothers are here now it's only in nga ọkpala ka m ji anya m abụọ fụ na ndị okenye na-apụta ha akụọ ọfọ kụọ mpi ọkpụ n'ime ahịa na nwa ha ọbụla ga-ejekwa oshi na mba na ya lọla they get back to me and I saw this thing ichi ime ihe ọjọọ ichete ya you go turn back oh. So when people are saying that ndị nga ọkpala the poor this is a lie. Number one is a lie. Is a lie. We are not poor. We are poor in your sight because we don't do everything for money. Mention anywhere in the world. Mention any community in the world. We have men. I'm with a man. I'm with a man who like 1 or 2 persons see a private jet or both story. In that place you call poor place. But in the whole world, mention one place onye nga ọkpala ejegoro anywhere can't call anybody. We are the biggest local government in Southeast as a whole. The biggest in Southeast as a whole. But I challenge you that you should mention one place. Anybody from Ngopala grabbed your land or bought your land or you bought land and he came to grab it. Mention one and mention his name here. Mention one place. Onye Ngopala bu AK-47 meet again nage your property buogi. Or anybody they close to it. Mention one place in the whole world. We have the grace that you don't have. We have rules. We have rules. If not the infiltration of the politicians who has inculcated the brain of our people, who came to deceive the youth of Ngopala, who has been deceiving them very recently to become media aid and start supporting evil. Our fathers who existed before us, we are powerful. Ordinary Nze was powerful than Eze. Our place naturally. In my place in those days, in days of old, people are gathered, check record in Ngwagago. Over the local government headquarters was seated upon the soil of Ngopala. We are peaceful. People no take away hanapo from us. We remained. We remained as a people. We've never had one enemy from our place. The only people I know we have today is we are now having bad politicians, and of which all of them, if they print poster in 2027, I will be busy telling you their history here. Because I cannot afford to raise a Nebuchadnezzar from my own client. It's not possible. That's the only evil they are doing today. And that doesn't mean that we are poor. In Ngopala, there's a place we call Omako. Omako is my side. We have almost the highest number of upstairs in the whole of the local government. Yet, I don't use Oshu. Yet, if you see them, the one who do that's how our people are. They are ready to serve. They loyal. They humble. Bargain kete. Motagori that thing from you. It doesn't matter the years. Only my place can afford. Only by just serve one man. Not 14 years. About where I can settle on ya yalo tako ngonyo gebu. Eme ya your brother gebu AK-47. With what the government has done to us, that is making Okigwe people to cry. I know the great men Okigwe has produced. I'm how developed Okigwe. Anyone bundengo opala for 35% of the development in Lage. Do you know that Ngopala is a town recognized by Google? This one, anybody say that they are coming to give us satellite town, it's because you smoke Igbo. It's because you smoke in the secret. That's why you can say you're not making us a satellite town. This place has been a town from the day that airport came. Any community that hosts airport is a town if you don't know. Mugu. It has been announced a town, but they are not doing anything for us. Oh yeah, since you are thieving our location, allow us to collect revenue from the airport and use it to develop our land. Zero. They say they are giving us Imo River Basin at Owerenta. Zero. Till today as I speak to you, nothing. We've not seen any sign of any development in our place. I speak the truth. The other one said, before I but 100,000 naira. If it were 100,000 naira before you came, you wouldn't have seen one plot. Man, no, Ima, ono buying the secret to the Bible. Give me my Bible there. Ono babo one side. Kuru Bible oge. You will Bible oge. Ishi na channel unkume mapota. You gum your Bible like this. When you now grab microphone, you begin to talk like an animal. You can be bold to insult a people. You can be bold. As I am, you see, as I'm speaking out on the evil going on in Omaka, I will still specify and tell you that there are great people from Omaka. Check, that's my way. Because I know, you don't say because of the character of these idiots that the whole Omaka is now a ghost town. That the whole Omaka is a no place, or Omaka people are nobody. It's a equal you there. Because Omaka will be great people that will even swallow this idiot in the bush. The only thing that made them, they've not dealt with them, is that they are keeping quiet. But I assure you, any day they leave one day sheep and decide to do you something, you know go survive. That bush, Chegi, they know that bush before they get back to you. This one, people that call themselves intellectuals will rise, will use microphone and talk, blah, 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 blah. Mo anajo, when you know I'm ishinike. I'll soon leave here. Are you listening to me? Strategically, in the nearest future, we are equally well positioned. From my community to River State is about 15 minutes. If there is good road, or carry 15 minutes, bam. If 15 minutes is too much, by River State. From my place to Abia State, also de Parama, or carry 15 minutes, Batala Abia State. From my place to airport, also de Parama, is not more than 15 minutes. So consider going to this kind of network, but they are bastardizing our place. When was the last time the government came and shared tractors? They've never, in their entire life in my community. People do bone farming there. As I speak to you, no electricity in the whole of 79% of the villages and communities in Ngobala. No electricity. In my place, no electricity as I speak to you now. We have a federal house member. And I don't blame the governor for every of these things. The senator is doing nothing. He's busy snapping picture with white beards and white cap. The only thing he's doing. The other one, the man at the Federal House of Representatives, his only job is, he's from Umoyago. He came to grab land in Mbishi. If they divide Ngobala by local government, do you know that we are half of Owerri zone? As I speak to you now, we are almost half of Owerri zone in landmark. 9 local governments. You cannot bring 3 local government and couple it together that is bigger than Ngobala. Check it on Google. You hardly, before you get our size, you will bring 5 local government together. And whereby you bring 5 local governments together before you get our lands, the size of our land map, right? If you can bring 5 local governments together before you get the exact size of Ngobala local government and land map, which means we are bigger than half of Owerri zone. The whole 9 local government that makes up Owerri zone, 1 local government is almost bigger than them. So consider the distance from the community of the Federal House of Representative member to my own place. No be small wakao. All those old politicians in Ngobala, that's why when they talk, I tell them, shut up. You were there, they were sharing local government. What did you do? My name is Governor Izuku. I'll see you some other time.